Previously, we've created this route, get list of books route. And in this lesson, we're gonna create get a single book by ID route. So this return a list of books. And today in this lesson, we're gonna just return a book object. So here, as we've done before, it's gonna be app.get. And we're gonna add the same endpoint here, but we're just gonna add this slash with ID. So we ask the user to pass the ID. Since this ID is a route parameter, meaning the client can call URL like this, box slash and custom ID, okay? Then we're gonna add our async function that takes request and response. Then we're gonna use our try catch block, so it's the try block, catch here. For the error, we're gonna just return this response here as before. And in try, we're gonna just add the following. We're gonna await book model dot find by ID. And we're gonna just add this ID. But where we can get this ID from, we're gonna get it from params, request.params. So we're gonna just add here const the ID equals request.params. Okay, and we're gonna store our book inside a constant. So const book equals to await book model dot find by ID. And finally, we're gonna just return this book. So res dot status 200.json this book. Now let's try our endpoint get book by ID. So here let's open our Postman, and first let's start our server. So here, npm start to start our server. Then we're going to Postman, and we're gonna duplicate this request. So just press here at this 3 dots here and press here on duplicate, or you can use this shortcut. We're gonna rename this request to make it get book by ID. Why the endpoint is, oops, because we didn't save this. So let's copy it. Because we didn't save this request early, we copied this request without its data. Okay. Now let's add some ID here. For example, let's fire this request to get list of books. We want to get this Node.js book with count in stock is 5. So let's just copy this ID and go to our get book by ID and pass the ID here and press send. Now look, we can get a single book in a single object. Let's try one more time. Let's try to get this first book with count in stock property. So let's copy the ID of it and paste it here and press send. Now look, we can get our book data.